This video is for educational purposes only. I don't support this, you know. I like to do stuff the right way. I like to pay for stuff, you know, show some support here, but if you want to get anything for free, you just go on certain websites and, you know, look for them, and, you know, you might find what you're looking for. I don't know how it works or anything like that, but I know it's possible to get stuff for free. So you can get ad blocking stuff, apparently, artificial intelligence, streaming, podcasts, songs, games, books. You know, you can get your favorite media, education stuff, Android stuff, Linux stuff, non-English stuff, food, travel, news, shopping, and fun websites, and all kinds of different things for free, you know. Don't ask me how it works. I'm not a professional or anything. I have no idea. Thanks for watching.